I need to start over.
Let's start over, shall we?
Maybe the two of us can start over.
Yeah, I was hoping you'd allow me to start over.
The world's gonna start over, and this time we're on top.
See, Daisy and I are gonna start over just as if we're 5 years ago.
Please don't tell me you're quitting. I have to start over again.
You have a free pass to start over. Here's the advice. Start over.
You can start over. Just give me a chance.
Let's start over. I'm Una.
I'm Dos. And I'm Cuatro.
Sure. Why don't I start over?
Where do you go now?
Home? Start over?
Do you think we could start over?
Yeah.
Start over. Give your family a fighting chance.
Too late for that.
Start over with me.
How many drinks have you had?
I'm so sorry, Hiccup. Can we start over?
We're storing seeds and seedlings, plants, animals. Enough to start over.
Sherry, can we please just start over?
College is your one chance to start over, okay? You get to hit the reset button on life. You get to be anybody you want to be.
Never thought of it like that before.